Hi guys, today I received the mini chainsaw and I'm gonna let you know like how it works, and it has come, everything comes in this box, and I did unfold everything and fix it up here. And this brand name is Bombas, and it is very nice. It's come with the two batteries, which is easily removable, and you can charge with the cord. You can charge with the cord easily, and you can fix it up here, and chainsaw is working. And one more thing, I'm gonna let you know, guys, it is very comfortable and easily comes with the gloves, comes with the glasses as well, so your eyes is being protected. Extra battery here, and tools and oils are like whenever you need it, your chain has to be fixed. Oils are here, so that's very nice, so you can use the oil as well. So now I'm gonna give you the live demo of how to cut, how to use these tools. There you go. So now I'm gonna use the live demo to you. Just easily cut, easily cut. Easily cut. And now that will be easy to use, and it comes with the hand gloves, glasses, and you can cut like easily. There you go. And easily you can cut your whatever you are not needed, easily cut, and you can use easily, you can charge easily. So you can go on the link and click on my link and subscribe and order these. Very good. Thank you very much.